Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x is equal to 120. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here, we find that 6 to the power x is common, so we factor out 6 to the power x, so that we'll have 1 plus 1. This is equal to 120. So we'll have 6 to the power x multiplied by 2. This is equal to 120. So divide both signs by 2 so that we'll have 6 to the power x. This is equal to 60. All right. Now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that we'll have log 6 to the power x. This is equal to log 60. Okay. So as you can see, log 6 to the power x, this is in the form of log m to the power n, which you can express as n log m. Okay. So now applying this power rule property of logarithm, will log 6 to the power x becomes x log 6. This is equal to log 60. So we divide both signs by log 6. Log 6. Okay. So let's simplify here. We'll have x is equal to x log 6 is equal to log 60. So let's divide both signs by log 6 by log 6. So that x is equal to log 60 divided by log 6. Now, 60 can be expressed as, you can express 60 as 10 multiplied by 6. Okay? So that we'll have x is equal to log 10 multiplied by 6 divided by log 6. So log 10 multiplied by 6, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this logarithm property so that we're going to have x is equal to log 10 divided by log 6 plus log 6 divided by log 6. So now if we simplify here, x is equal to 1 plus log, now we have log 10 divided by log 6. We can express this as log 10 to base 6. Okay. Now this is the value of x. Okay. This is the value of x. And let's verify if this value of x actually satisfies the equation. So let's verify that the value of x, which is 1 plus log 10 to base 6, actually satisfies the equation. Now, we enter 6 to the power x plus 6 to the power x. This should give us a value of 120. And we simplify this exponential equation further to 6 to the power x. Okay. Multiplied by 2, this is equal to 120. Now, this is the same thing as 6 to the power x. This is equal to 60. So let's substitute the value of x. Now, substituting the value of x, we'll have 6 to the power x, which is 1 plus log 10 to base 6. This should give us a value of 60. Let's check if this is the case. So you find that 6 to the power 1 plus log 10 to base 6, this is actually in the form of a n plus m, which you can express as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. Now this is the indices identity. So let's apply this identity so that we'll have 6 to the power 1 multiplied by 6 to the power log 10 to base 6. This should give us a value of 60. So let's check if this is the case. Now, we have that 6 to the power log 10 to base 6. This is in the form of m log a to base m, which is equal to a. Okay? So let's apply this property. Therefore, applying this property, that's m to the power log a to base m, which is equal to a. Now 6 to the power log 10 to base 6, this will give us a value of 10. Now let's substitute this value of 10. We'll have 6 times 10. This is equal to 60. So 6 times 10, this is 60, which is equal to 60. So that means that the value of x, which is equal to 1 plus log 10 to base 6, actually satisfies the equation. Okay. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe.